Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe. If you're new to my channel, I make a lot of track content. I also do some product reviews for the parts that I buy on or for my cars. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out my channel. Other than that, today's video is going to be about taking the GT3 to Streets of Willow. If you've never been, this is a smaller course over at Willow Springs International Raceway. It's very fun, very technical. Basically, when I first started tracking, this was the track that I learned to track on, and yeah, this track is one of my favorites. But I was not having a good time today, or at this day, I guess. I was fighting the car a lot for grip. I was fighting the rear end to keep it behind me and not trying to kill me, and on turn to exit trying to not have snap oversteer. But it was extremely difficult. The Cup 2s that are on this car have 12,000 miles with 4 track days on them, and they are extremely bald. So I'm excited to get some new rubber in a couple weeks here. Hopefully my wheels are here in about 2 weeks, and I can go ahead and slap those on with some fresh AR-1s and get back out on the track with this car, because around that time the F80 will be at Studio RSR getting a Weld-in cage done. So that'll leave me with some seat time with this car and getting to understand the rear engine concept a lot better. I did 3 track days earlier this year, and the intervals between the 3 were not that long, and by the end of the 3rd one I really started to feel like I was grasping this. And coming back out here today with the hopes and intentions of setting a low 120 and getting a 125.5 like you're about to see was extremely humbling. And it was not a good day as far as for my confidence. My confidence as a driver just did not feel confident in the car. Not that there was anything wrong with the car, it was just the fact that I was not setting the times that I wanted or had envisioned. So yeah, this was actually, my PB was actually the first session of the entire day. This was on the 6th lap. On the 6th lap I set my PB, and yeah, it was a very disappointing one for sure. But this guy in a 350Z is a pretty good driver. A 370Z, pretty goddamn good driver, to be honest with you. You can tell in the turns as well, he seems to be pulling away. And the only places I'm catching him is the little short straights or the long straights where I can get some power down. Right there on turn exit, rear end breaks loose, and it kills my momentum exiting the turn. So just overall, just not a good day for grip. And we need to get some definitely get some new tires on this car and give it another shot, because I really do think we can set down something fast, something around 120 or even sub 120 with a car like this. Everyone knows what a GT3 is capable of. I wasn't trying to sugarcoat this shit to myself. I was very disappointed with that performance that I had, because of the fact that I know what these cars are capable of. Even with some bald tires, I felt like I should still be able to set some fast lap times, but clearly that was not the case. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave the video here with you guys. I know you guys probably want to hear the car rather than hear me ramble on about how shitty my track day was, but if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Also, the MCS suspension that is on the car, this is the first track day for it. I will be making a separate video about the MCS suspension on this car and on the F80 shortly, now that I have a few events under my belt with both those cars running MCS. Other than that, guys, hope you have a good one. Talk to you later. Peace.